Hey everybody, this week for our health activity, I am excited to show you how to repurpose an old empty water bottle and turn it into something cool like a bird feeder. First, you need to get permission from an adult at home. They may need to help you with some of the cutting and getting all of our supplies. So what we're going to need for our bird feeder is an empty bottle, any water bottle works, 2 sticks or pencils, I'm using chopsticks for mine, some string, a drawing pin, and a pair of scissors. So once we get permission from an adult at home and we have all our supplies, we can begin by making 2 small holes on opposite sides of the bottle towards the bottom using our pin. So right towards the bottom here, pop 1, and on the opposite side, another. And we will use our scissors to make these holes just big enough to fit our sticks through. Once you're done with the holes, you can take your first stick and just push it right through, just like that. And now we're going to do the same thing a little higher up, 90 degrees perpendicular with this stick. So right here. When we insert our second stick, it should make a cross shape when looking from below. Now from here, we can get ready to make our feeding holes for the birds. So we will begin this by taking our pin again, and about 4 centimeters above each stick, we're just gonna make a hole here. Then we will use our scissors again to open up each hole about the size of a penny. So once we have our feeding holes done here, we're gonna go back to our pin and do 2 more holes towards the top on opposite sides and use our string, feed it through, and that's what we will hang this up with. Once you have this completed, you can then go on and get your bird seeds, or if you don't have it, Cheerios works fine. And just go ahead, unscrew the cap, and fill this up. Keep in mind, for the feeding holes, you want them big enough for the bird to come in and get the food, but small enough where the food doesn't just fall out. Once you're done filling up, you can put the cap on and you are ready to go and hang this up on a tree or somewhere outside for the birds. Once you find a place in your backyard to hang up your new bird feeder, Be patient, give it a few days. It might take a day or two for the birds to realize where it is and discover their new feeding ground. I hope you all enjoyed the activity and have a great, healthy, happy week.